All right, boys and girls, welcome to Think Different Television again. We're going to do one of these homework problems. We're actually going to do number one right here. All right, so we're going to do all these parts, A, B, C, and D. We're going to do it in our notebook. So the first part, we need to sketch a graph, and we need to use graph paper. You have graph paper in your notebook, you can use it there. I'm actually going to use this graph down here just to show you, but you write in your notebook anyway, okay? So, x squared minus 3, that's what I have to draw and sketch. I know the y-intercept is minus 3, down 3 on the y-axis. I know that's a parabola, x squared, because I see the squared right there. All right, so I start here, I go right 1 over 1, and then right 1 up 3, which is 2, 1, which actually intersects with this point, which is they want. That should be on the graph. I got it. And left 1 over 1, and then from here, left 1 over 3. That's a pattern you can kind of memorize. And there we go. Now I sketch the graph, part A, done. Okay. Part B, find the slope of a tangent line at the given point. Okay. So in my notebook, part B, know that the function is x squared minus 3. I know I want to go to the point 2, 1. So what I'm looking for is the slope at this point right there of the tangent line, or what is the equation of that tangent line. And so I'm going to do that algebraically. I can sort of guess right now that it's really positive. Maybe it's positive 2, positive 3, positive 4. I don't really know. But I'm going to do it algebraically and figure out what the slope of that tangent line is. Okay, so my derivative, and I'm going to use the power rule here, is 2. The exponent becomes the coefficient. X, 2 minus 1 is the first power. Minus 3, I can ignore that because the derivative of minus 3 is 0. So my derivative is 2x. What am I going to do now? I'm going to find the slope at point 2. The x value right here, x value right here. So I'm just going to plug 2 into my derivative, and I'm going to get 4. So that kind of looks right. The slope of this line is about 4. So, got it. That makes sense to me. All right, good. Part C. I need to write an equation of the tangent line. All right. So here's my x, here's my y, here's my slope. Y minus 1 equals 4 times the quantity x minus 2. Done. Now I have to sketch it. I actually just did it right here. So start here, up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, over 1. Kind of like that. There we go. Part D. Find the equation of the normal line to the curve. Okay, normal. I'm going to sketch the line. Normal means perpendicular. Okay, so my slope is 4. That would mean my perpendicular, and that symbol means perpendicular for the slope, is the opposite reciprocal, negative 1 over 4. Then I use my same point there. 2, 1, x and y minus 1 equals negative 1/4 times x minus 2. Done. There's part C. Now I just have to sketch it. Okay, so I'm going through this point right here, and the perpendicular slope is negative 1 over 4, down 1, right, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it looks like that, and there's my normal line right there. And I've done with part 1. Thank you very much.